Camarines Sur, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mark Joseph Pismo Perez, Cadet Major Jennifer Lopez Diaz, Cadet Captain Cristal Perico Primavera, Cadet Captain Jupiter Esmenda Rosales, Cadet Major Asher James Perez Balcueva, Cadet Captain Christian Perico Primavera, Major Leader Cadet Fiona Pismo Permusel, DPC Band Leader Cadet Divino Eugene Ray Dilinia, First Company Commander Cadet Captain Hoben Baracero Alok, Company EXO Cadet Captain Jimenez Lavato Prado Jr., First Platoon Leader Cadet Second Lieutenant Marvin Matos, Second Platoon Leader Cadet Provisional Second Lieutenant Kyle Rivero Postrado, Second Company Commander Cadet First Lieutenant Joel May Pisimo de la Cruz, Company EXO Cadets First Lieutenant Angelica May Mendez Floren, First Platoon Leader Cadet Second Lieutenant Joanalyn Olideles, Second Platoon Leader Cadet Provisional Second Lieutenant Trixie Habila. School Head, this is Arsenia P. Fernandez, CAT Facilitator, Mr. Benino Carinan Jr., DDC DLC Banchero, Dr. Juan M. Albicoa, Director, Major Stainer, Mrs. Adeline Bacos Pinero. Entry number 3, Tyler High School C81 Unit, Presentacion, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 3, Bayer High School C81 Unit, Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Entry number 4, San Isidro National High School, Sitio Comon, Barangay San Isidro, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Aaron S. Elizaga, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Roy Repia,